In today's video, I'm going to show you how to publicly recommend someone on LinkedIn. Whether you're trying to appreciate a colleague's hard work or you simply want to help someone strengthen their professional profile, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn app and go to the profile of the person you want to recommend. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the Recommendations section. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the option that says Recommend. Over here, you'll see a few fields you need to fill in. LinkedIn will ask for your relationship with that person, for example, whether you were their manager, colleague, or client. Then it will ask for the position or company you both worked at together. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct LinkedIn account, double-check the person's profile before submitting anything, and think about the specific strengths you want to highlight. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, you'll see a text box where you can write your recommendation. After that, you should be able to submit it with just one click, and it will go directly to them for approval. It's also a good idea to keep your message genuine and professional. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and makes your recommendation more meaningful. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to publicly recommend someone on LinkedIn easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?